Number 16. Niche affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is all about connecting the right product with the right audience and getting paid for it every time someone makes a purchase. The best part? You don't need to create your own products, manage inventory, or handle shipping. Step 1. Choose a niche. Focus on something specific that people are passionate about. Tech gadgets, fitness gear, sustainable products, or hobbyist items. The more targeted your niche, the easier it is to build an audience that trusts your recommendations. Step 2. Create content that highlights the products. You could start a blog, post YouTube reviews, or share social media tutorials showing how the products work. The key is to educate and entertain, not just sell. For example, a quick demo video showing a gadget solving a problem can attract both attention and clicks. Step 3. Sign up for affiliate programs, track your sales, and optimize your content. Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or niche-specific programs are great starting points. Commissions range from 5 to 50% per sale, and with the right audience, those small percentages quickly add up. Here's the secret. Focus on building trust. People buy from someone who understands their needs, not someone who just pushes products. One well-crafted review, a genuine recommendation, or a tutorial can lead to repeat sales, referrals, and a growing passive income stream. Affiliate marketing isn't just side cash, it's a way to leverage your content into long-term income without handling products yourself. With consistency and trust, it can grow into a full-fledged online business. So if this hustle sounds like your kind of start, don't stop here. There are 19 more just like it, each one packed with fresh, real-world money ideas. Check out the full video, 20 Side Hustles to Start in 2026, right here on the channel. You'll find the one that fits your lifestyle, your skills, and your future. Comment if this hustle resonates with you or the challenges you are facing. Like, share, and subscribe for more business content.